Hi, it's Brad from Leaf Traders. On this tutorial, we're going to learn how to create a consumer account. So once you get up to leaftraders.com, and this is our homepage, you'll click on the Join for Free button. The first page you come to gives you the choice between creating a consumer account or a professional account. And really the only difference between the two, a professional account allows you to create and post branded surveys. So for this tutorial, we're creating a consumer account. We'll click on Continue. That takes us to our final page. And in the first section, you'll be selecting your home regions. You'll notice here that there's some global terminology. So if we equate it to the United States, obviously continent and country, but national division is the state. Divisional region would be regions within the state. Major civil divisions are counties, and minor civil divisions are cities. Quick side note, all the information that you enter on the CSM platform is kept strictly anonymized, so there's no way for any of that information to tie back to you personally. And the benefit of putting in as much information as you can is you'll be more likely to receive targeted surveys which pay at a higher rate. So for the purposes of this tutorial, we're not going to choose specific regions. We're just going to choose all continents, all countries. Just do all for each. So you always have that option of filling out these forms with all, and then later on the profile, you'll see prefer not to answer. So you don't have to fill this information out to be able to still partake in this excellent platform. That takes us to our final section. And we start with selecting the consumer type. So you have 4 to choose from there. You then enter your birth date, and you can quickly get to the proper year by selecting that section on top, and you can scroll through as far as you need to go. Some of us farther than others. And then you choose your month and the day. Next, you'll enter your email and password. And passwords must be a minimum of 8 characters. They must contain 1 capital letter, 1 lowercase letter, at least 1 number, and at least 1 special character. Then simply type in that same password again to confirm it. And finally, a very standard now consent for the cookies, which basically just allow the platform to operate the way you would expect it to. Your very last step, click on Create Consumer Account. You'll notice in the corner that we have now sent you an email, and we'll show you that in just a second. Once you've completed creating your consumer account, you'll receive this email. And this is just simply to verify that email address that you used when registering. All you have to do is click this button here, Verify Email. And that'll take you to a screen, and you can now log in to the CSM platform. So as you can see, it's very simple to set up your consumer account. We look forward to seeing you on the site, and we'll catch you on the next tutorial. Thanks for watching.